This superb Gothic-style house is for sale. Located in Faversham, Kent, England, it offers 8 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This Grade II listed Victorian residence, dating from 1854, is set in an elevated position on the outskirts of Canterbury, with far-reaching countryside views. The property offers over 7,000 square feet of accommodation, featuring multiple reception rooms, a large kitchen with adjoining utility, a vaulted orangery opening onto the terrace, and a cellar. The house provides 8 bedrooms across 2 upper floors, including a principal suite with dressing room and ensuite, along with additional bathrooms and flexible living space. Outside, the property is accessed via a gated driveway with ample parking and is surrounded by south-facing gardens, including a swimming pool, walled tennis court, terraces, and lawned grounds. The asking price of this superb Gothic-style house is £2,800,000. A substantial period home combining space, original features, and a private setting within easy reach of Canterbury. Thank you for watching.